Next is finding the CPA distance and CPA bearing. So CPA is the closest point of approach. So para sa CPA distance, gagamit lang tayo ng triangle. I-align mo lang yung triangle mo sa RML mo. Tapos gagawa ka or magdodraw ka ng line perpendicular to the center. Okay, ganyan. Tapos ito na yun, 90 degrees perpendicular. So from the target to the center line. Alright, so ito na yung CPA distance mo. Pag measure nyan, gamit tayo ng compass divider. Tapos ilagay natin sa scale. So that is 2 nautical miles. So our CPA distance is equal to 2 nautical miles. Right? Ganun lang. Next is yung CPA bearing naman. Okay. So, pag kukuha ka ng CPA bearing, dapat from your ship to the target. Ulitin ko. From the ship to the target. Okay. Ganito yan ha. I-align mo lang yan ulit. Tapos, gawan mo ng linya. Ship to the target. Dito, banda. So, this is 113 degrees through. That's it. That's your CPA bearing.